What if everything the media is telling you about Bitcoin right now is wrong? The headlines are screaming about BlackRock selling. Panic is in the air. But I tracked the data and I found a secret. While one side of Wall Street was hitting the sell button, 3 companies were executing the biggest Bitcoin buying spree we've seen in months. They bought over 42,000 Bitcoin in just 30 days. Today, I'm going to show you exactly who they are, why they're doing it, and most importantly, what they know that the headline readers don't. Let's start with the most obvious one. Company number 1, MicroStrategy. If you follow crypto, you know this name. But here's what you might not know. In late December, they announced another purchase of 1,229 Bitcoin for $109 million. That brought their total stash to over 672,000 Bitcoin. But the number isn't the story. The story is their strategy. Their CEO, Michael Saylor, doesn't call this trading. He calls it a corporate treasury strategy. They are converting their entire cash reserve into what they see as a superior asset. They're not waiting for a dip. They're buying consistently, telling the world they believe the long-term value is all that matters. They have over $2 billion in cash ready to buy more. They are not just believers. They are the blueprint. Now, company number 2 might surprise you. This Hut 8 Mining. This isn't just a company that buys Bitcoin. They mine it. And for the longest time, miners were known for selling the Bitcoin they mined to pay for electricity and bills. But the strategy has flipped. In their latest earnings report, Hut 8 showed they are now in accumulation mode. Instead of selling every coin they mine, they are holding a significant portion on their balance sheet. Why? Because they believe the future price appreciation of holding that Bitcoin will be worth far more than the cash they get today. They are treating Bitcoin like a growth asset on their own company's books. They're not just mining for today's profit. They're mining for tomorrow's treasury. Company number 3 is the silent accumulator, Marathon Digital. Another major mining company. Look at their public filings. They have been aggressively growing their unencumbered Bitcoin holdings. That's Bitcoin they own free and clear, without any debt against it. Their goal is to build a massive treasury that strengthens their balance sheet and makes them a stronger, more valuable company in the long run. They, along with other miners, represent a new wave. Bitcoin miners are no longer just sellers. They are becoming some of the most committed long-term holders. So, let's connect the dots. BlackRock's ETF saw outflows because ETF investors are often short-term. They trade in and out. But these 3 companies, MicroStrategy, Hut 8, Marathon Digital, they are not trading. They are strategically acquiring and holding. They are treating Bitcoin like digital gold for their corporate treasury. When you add up their buying plus others doing the same thing, they are absorbing Bitcoin faster than new coins are even created through mining. This is what leads to a supply shock. The available Bitcoin for sale on exchanges keeps going down, while the demand from these giant, never-selling entities keeps going up. What does this mean for you? It means the smart money isn't following the panic headlines. The smart money is following a multi-year strategy. It means that when you see a scary headline about institutional selling, you need to look deeper and ask, who is on the other side of that trade? Today, the answer was 3 companies betting their entire future on this asset. You don't have to agree with them, but you should know their playbook. If this deep dive helped you see beyond the headlines, hit the like button. Tells me you want more analysis like this. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want to know the moment these companies make their next move. I'll be tracking their filings and breaking it down for you. Let me know in the comments which company's strategy you find most convincing. I'm Alex Capital and I'll see you in the next video.